Guys, Justin Costello, MarineMax, Pompano Beach, showing you a brand new boat that just arrived from the factory. 2021 Boston Whaler 350 Realm. This beautiful hull side color, hard top extending shade. We got this equipped with a triple 300 V8s. Boat runs amazing. Underwater LED lighting. Outriggers. Boat's great for fishing and cruising. As you see, as we come up the ladder here to come in, we got an automatic engine flush system. The boat's equipped with a generator, Seakeeper stabilizer. Beautifully fit and finished. Great long range cruiser for you, your family, your friends. You want to do a little diving, a little fishing. Boat extremely robust and dynamic. See here we have a cockpit smokeless grill, runs off of your generator. Also have a 230 quart cooler under this seat. Your dive door on the port side. Look at these hinge hardware. And then under the massive hard top, air conditioned, climate controlled cockpit. 2 rows of forward facing seats. We do have a freshwater sink, storage, upgraded sound system, refrigerator. Of course, we get the joystick piloting, which comes with your skyhook, autopilot. Very easy to operate the boat. Nice twin 16-inch electronics package. And then notice when we're walking to the bow, port side, very high, safe to navigate through when you're underway and at sea. Large expansive seating in the bow. There is a shade that goes up here as well, so if you don't want to be out in the sun, put the shade up. Equipped it with radar. And then you do have nice overnight accommodations for a couple, or if you just want to use this as a day boat. Great place to run the gen, the AC, get out of the sun, cool off, watch a little TV, change, take a nap. Beautiful hardwood floors, cabinetry, skylight. Very, very roomy for a 35-foot boat. And then we do have a bulkhead which separates the bathroom here. It has a vacuum flush toilet, teak seat to sit down and shower. This boat is available and ready to go. MarineMax, Pompano Beach. It's Justin Costello. Give me a call, 954-633-2070 if you have any questions or would like to get aboard.